Question 45. Vector AB is shown in the standard coordinate plane below. Point C will be placed on AB so that AC is 1/4 of AB. What will be the coordinates of point C? So what they're really saying is if you have this vector right here and you place a point like right about here, that new point, I'll just draw it in, somewhere around here, right? That's not exactly where it's going to be, but just as an estimate. This is going to be 1/4 of the length of the entire vector. So how can we do this with exact numbers? Well, let's find the length from here to here in the x direction. And then let's find the length from here to here in the y direction. And then we're going to take 1/4 of those lengths. And then that will allow us to figure out how far we need to move in this direction and then in this direction to arrive at point C. So you can see here that if I go from -1 on this x value and I move all the way over here, the x value here is 7. So I've really moved a distance of 8. And then if I am at a height of 1 here, that's the y value here, it's 1, and I'm moving vertically, how far vertically do I need to move to get to this height right here? Well, this is a height of 7. So if I'm at 7, and I need to go to 1, that difference, or that distance, is going to be 6. So this is a distance of 6. Now we need to take 1/4 of each of those because this is going to be 1/4 of this line, which is really just like saying 1/4 of the components to get there. So I need to go 1/4 of that distance, this total distance, I need to go 1/4 this way, and then 1/4 of this, and 1/4 of this 8 is 2. And 1/4 of this 6 is going to be 6/4. So I'll just write that out. So this is going to be 1/4 of 8, which is 2, which really means move 2 to the right. And then this is going to be 1/4 of 6, which is 6/4, which is 3/2. Which is really saying move 3/2, which is 1.5, up, okay? And where are we starting? We're starting here at A. How do I know to start there? Because since it's a vector, you want to start at the beginning, which is the point, and then it kind of ends at the arrow, which we call the tip. So if it's defined as from A to C, you're going to want to start here. Sorry, from A to B, you're going to want to start here. So let's do that. So we need to move from this position 2 to the right. So if I'm at -1 and I move 2 to the right, my new x value is 1. So this new x value here is going to be 1. Okay? And if I'm starting at +1 for my height and I need to move up 3/2 or move up 1.5, let's just say 1.5, and I'm moving up from 1, then when I'm here, I need to move up 1.5 from 1. So my new position is 2.5. My new position is 2.5, and 2.5 is the same thing as 5/2. So that would be the new coordinate of C. So our answer for this one is B.